Welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about the types of research on the basis of problem and its observation and the possible solutions. The research can be classified in different types. Types of research: descriptive versus analytical research. Descriptive research is a fact-finding investigation which is aimed at describing the characteristics of individual situation or a group, or describing the state of affairs as it exists in present. Analytical research is primarily concerned with testing hypotheses and specifying and interpreting relationships by analyzing the facts or information already available. Applied versus fundamental research. Applied research or action research is carried out to find solution to a problem which is a real life problem, requires an action or policy for the decision. Fundamental research, which is also known as basic or pure research, is undertaken for the sake of knowledge without any intention to apply in real life. It is undertaken out of intellectual curiosity and is not necessarily problem oriented. Quantitative versus qualitative research. Quantitative research is employed for measuring the quantity or amount of a particular phenomena by the use of statistical analysis, while qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing of non-numerical data, for example, text, video or audio, to understand concepts, opinions or share experience. It can be used to gather in-depth insight into a problem or generate new idea for research. Conceptual versus empirical research. Conceptual research is generally used by philosophers and thinkers to develop new concepts or to interpret existing ones. Empirical research is a data-based research which depends on experience or observation alone. It is aimed at coming up with conclusions without due regard for system and theory. Other type of research are one-time research. One-time research is a kind of research that is carried out over a single time period. For example, population research is a one-time research. Longitudinal research. In longitudinal research or study, researchers conduct several observations of the same object over a period of time. Sometimes it ends in many years. Diagnostic research. It is also called clinical research, which aims at identifying the causes of a problem, frequency of a problem with which it occurs, and the possible solution for the problem. Exploratory research. It is the preliminary study of an unfamiliar problem about which the researcher has little or no knowledge. It is aimed to gain familiarity with the problem, to generate new idea, or to take a price formulation of the problem. Hence, it is also known as formulative research. Experimental research. It is designed to assess the effect of one particular variable on a phenomena by keeping the other variables constant or uncontrolled. Historical research. It is the study of past records and other information sources with a view to find the origin and development of a phenomena and to discover the trends in the past in order to understand the present and to anticipate the future. Thank you.